Omusike Uru is the former president of the Republic of Kenya. Again, that ukwana to what the weight, positively or negatively. Nje, they're right. Yes. And I will say boldly, that console anybody. It's premature for a statesman in the name of former President Uhuru Kenyatta, whatever an aragiri so. You see? But now we have the constitution right there, yokoraga. But it's too early. Because and unfortunately, even for you, the administration, Bachakire go focus 2027 elections, but not focusing the problems. The problem ya SHA, right, is so chronic that you will tool down everything else or focus your correct issues, yeah, SHA, medical. Because literally in that sector, everybody is crying. No. Because I cannot make a political decision to focus. One you echo gara one bruto nere, one cha is ya gorek ya jaki. So you will not be looking at take over. But it has been triggered by wrong statements. Okay, right statements stated at the wrong time. All right, look at our schools, university students, right? I mean, and by the way, challenges not that they cannot come, but they need to be resolved. People need to put attention to these issues. Everybody, especially the government. But to give me can you imagine? President not wherever, northeastern ABCD, Mara, the other side in Western Kenya. Do you know how much money that is spent? Assuming is maybe, and we've seen with the control budget talking about State House billions, but that money available in the Ministry of Education, how many problems will it resolve? Or in the Ministry of Health? So our priorities, I think, are wrong, in my view. All right. Now, I think it's okay. The government go yeah, no nengusi. I mean, whatever. The government go vyama. And the kukura kini abara yaba ne aba nene mba chaka woso borokia na ibarigere tubuchi. Okay? Because you will create temperatures. Right? Which I think is not necessary.
So nae kangabara yaba bara soke isko kwa na ya siasa.
Yeah, tigabati abantu baisoke because na wa denga mjibu muntu one no. Lakini onyu muntu yo tabwa tigra grassroots. So toro jibono kwa bikira sako.
Okay. Eno maske ur Kenyatta rote bengere biya. Wakili.
Yeah.
I bengere biya gombiri baby which is a presidential pit Yamatian.
No, I mean Matiang is one of our own sons. Kurua Usi, okay? Matiang has a political seat. Matiang has been hired as a CS and he performed. Chinga Kiju. Now, he has a right. Matiang and I'm not challenging anybody. You see, my thing go one. One question you're not in. So, CS Matiang will have time to come and tell us. Now, Madura Mukwan, Arajate Venaya. You know what yeah, Nande. I think the best way getting her, only going to the Krogo. Because even I've seen people talk about David Maraga, Emeritus, Chief Justice. Okay? I'm sure even Kengere, he has a party. Nashon Nyamweya, he has a party. Omingo Magara, he has a party. Party, it means you are a presidential candidate. Right? So we see, we have several people, but Matiang'i is one of them. Right? So at the end of the day, and I know it's national politics, getting a key. What is it that you bring at the table? No what jikura cheese and you go anywhere. Ozora arete, ojeviumbe bionsi. Whatever in what you could think any. My thing is to see, right? Ndo bazi ko ngaina. The best to according to Ngaki, Nakito Kura Chikura Chaitu Chichira about 1.5 million. Chichamo, Urito Tenga Bonaye, to a hotel, Chirese SMS. We aire SMS, the Chirchinde, because no one I'm sure Kirumo, the Gurusia Ruto. In the Abons Bacoleta Mulima, Eledi Chiai. Nyansa, Eledi Chiavi, including Usi. Quale madre chiavo? Ogo and the Western Kenya, Chasing, Chingana. Because Toja Guru is the sitting president on the word Gurachi, Chisay. You see that? So, what I will say, in fact, I want to concentrate on the candidate Gurusi. Because at the end of the day, never Matiang'i, never David Maraga, Emeritus Chief Justice. Nabwa the capacity yo konyora chikure kiabo chonzi because your backyard matters a lot. Egero Kalonzo atavete running mate ya Raila pagachora mata karua yo ba jote mata karua because mbaro jenga kurwe murima ndonyo chikura saidi Kalonzo akoreta Roji Dojo Omurima said maybe 4 million. But that was never the case. Kalonzo even did better. So what unkikia the Kalonzo yeta? Na bete pogore kore chikure chabo chonsi pi kure pakia. Kabigi kabwe kam. Right? Wetera rigiji bakarete chikure chonsi pi chumurima. Bakaango. Bakaruto. Ruto neri chabo sobo akarete chonsi pi. Babo ke tangura